vlog. We just got out of church and it was so good. We are on our way to Cheesecake Factory because last time we were there, I failed to show you guys the most amazing chicken and waffles that I have ever had in my entire life. I really want to go there again and show you guys because it's visually appealing and it's really delicious. Masterpiece. Yours looks huge.
I'll go grab you some syrup.
Yes, thank you. Thank you so much. Here's the little tiny baby syrup and it's warm. Your sandwich looks kind of weird.
Yeah, after you eat a few of the layers, that's how it looks.
Oh. What happened to your water?
I got milky.
You're such a child.
Why? That looks really good.
You're not vlogging the right way. Oh yeah, you are.
Yes, I am. I am a right way vlogger. Oh yes. Chorizo, please. So, what are we doing here at the grocery store? Don't worry, I'll tell them. We are getting stuff so we can make burgers for Labor Day. We never used to get these because they were too expensive. And the Velveeta cheese too? Oh, shut up.
Hello, Mr. Grill Master.
They're kind of small.
They're very small. Ooh, look at you. You got your whole little setup.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, I'm gonna go get you something. I think this is the best homemade burger I've had.
It's snowy.
Oh my gosh. All the leaves on the ground. I wish it was daytime. The leaves are falling. You've got to be kidding me, babe. Yeah. This is completely wiped clean. This is crazy. Why must this happen to me every year? I was just here 1 week ago. I don't even remember half of this week. Half of the time I've just been editing, cleaning the house, getting things ready to film, and I am on my way to Marshall's right now, and I think I'm gonna go to Starbucks for a nice pumpkin spice latte because it's still 90 degrees here in Houston. The weather is set to change in like about 2 weeks though, so I'm really excited about that. Yeah, I just need a few bits for today's video from Marshall's. Hopefully I can find them. If not, it's no big deal, but I'm really hoping I can find it. So I saw this pretty shirt there. It's like an olive green. I love feminine touches like this, and it looks pretty long, and I love wearing leggings, so hopefully it can cover my butt up really well. And I'm obsessed with Kate Spade at the moment. Anything stationery, coffee table books, obsessed. And then I found these satin pillowcases, which I needed 2 for my video that I'm filming today. I ended up getting my venti pumpkin spice latte. You guys, I'm really not feeling hungry today. I don't know why, but I know I really should eat because it's literally midday, right? Yes, it just hit 12 o'clock and I still haven't eaten anything. All I've had was a little bit of that coffee, but I just don't feel like eating. Like, I was gonna stop by Wendy's to get some chicken nuggets or something, but I wasn't even feeling that. I mean, I was, but I'm like, I have food at home. I don't know, my stomach's been acting up lately and I don't know what that's all about. But I really should eat something, even if it's just like a breakfast taco. That's probably what I'm gonna do. I just want to start filming. I think that's what it is. I just want to get my things done and over with. That way I can relax for the rest of the day when George gets home. I have no idea what we're doing today. Probably nothing. We've been loving staying at home and just watching Netflix. That's all we want to do lately. And I ain't mad at it. You guys, I started cleaning my beauty room yesterday, but look at this mess behind me. It's absolutely crazy. But I have to get ready for the day. I can't deal with this right now. I also did my desk yesterday. Yes. And I'm done with my makeup. What a beautiful Saturday. And something smells so good. But we're going to Red Robin right now. Smell that? It smells like onion powder. Yum.
I don't smell it.
You don't smell it? You guys, it's midnight and I just finished editing this vlog that you're watching. So I just wanted to end it really quickly. George is asleep right next to me right here. Thank you so much for watching this vlog and we will catch you guys next time. Bye.